This is NHCS Recap, where we look back at some of the top events from the week of August 30th.
On Monday, August 30th, a physical altercation occurred at New Hanover High School. During the altercation, a student fired shots, striking another student in the leg and hand. In the days after the incident, New Hanover County Schools has worked to provide support and resources to the Wildcat family. The district's crisis team have made themselves readily available and have also provided outside resources to students and staff through Trillium Health and the Wilmington Health Access for Teens, or WHAT Clinic. We encourage our students to talk to a trusted adult, teacher, or a counselor if you are in need of additional support.
As a result of the incident, New Hanover County Board of Education members with the New Hanover County Commissioners held a joint special meeting Friday, September 3rd to discuss how to ensure the safety of students and staff at all New Hanover County school facilities. This joint meeting was held at the Board of Education Center, where community leaders were able to share what safety measures they would like to see implemented going forward.
Today, the stakeholders at this table have an opportunity to discuss lessons learned, ask questions, and share ideas for solutions and next steps. We need to do our homework, research, and develop a well-thought-out plan to prevent violence in our campuses.
3 years ago, Murray Middle School's Unified Falcons made a commitment to work to build a more inclusive school. In that time, the Falcons have participated in Special Olympics, unified sports, where students with and without disabilities train and compete as teammates, fostered inclusive youth leadership, and maintained whole school engagement. Murray is a national model school of inclusion and was awarded status as a Unified Champion National Banner School.
Some of our youngest learners headed to the classroom for the first time this week. Students at Hal Johnson Mosley and College Road Early Childhood Center had staggered enrollment for the first half of the week and rounded out the week on Thursday and Friday with full days.
That's it for NHCS Recap. Be sure to follow NHCS on social media and visit nhcs.net.